Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Simple Mode over here and hit Enable at the bottom. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access Settings again, but this time tap on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!